Global financial markets are bracing for significant volatility and potential widespread disruption following reports of U.S. military strikes against Iran. Analysts are warning that the economic ramifications could be far more extensive and severe than previous geopolitical crises, with one expert noting bigger ramifications than Venezuela. This escalating tension in the Middle East, a region critical to global energy supplies and trade routes, threatens to send shockwaves through oil prices, supply chains, and investor confidence worldwide. The immediate concern for markets centers on the stability of oil supplies. Iran, a major oil producer, and its strategic location controlling the Strait of Hormuz, a vital chokepoint for a significant portion of the world's seaborne oil trade, mean that any military action or retaliatory measures could severely impact global crude availability. Even the threat of disruption often leads to sharp spikes in oil prices, which then ripple through the global economy, increasing costs for transportation, manufacturing, and consumer goods, thereby fueling inflation. The comparison to Venezuela, a nation whose economic collapse had substantial but largely localized impacts on its oil output, underscores the potentially broader and more systemic nature of a conflict involving Iran. Beyond energy, markets are concerned about a general rise in geopolitical risk. Increased instability in the Middle East could deter international investment, leading to a flight to safety among investors who might pull funds from riskier assets and emerging markets. This could strengthen safe haven currencies like the US dollar and Japanese yen, while weakening others. Supply chains, already fragile from recent global events, could face new bottlenecks and increased shipping costs if key maritime routes are threatened. Governments and central banks worldwide will be closely monitoring the situation, weighing potential interventions to stabilize markets and mitigate the economic fallout from what is rapidly becoming a high-stakes confrontation.